Hello YouTubers, Chilios2222 here with just a quick review on the, I don't even know how to say it, but I found this from another YouTuber online. Actually, first I found their air purifier. I want to say it's Levoit. I'm sorry if I said it wrong, and I guarantee I probably did. Not quite sure where this comes from. I'm going to guess Europe. I started with their purifier and I moved to this. I really like their purifier. And again, I found it from another YouTuber online. Look at that. There's something I missed right there. Hold on. Let's get that resolved. So with the Levoit, I'm just going to step on it, pull it back. Power settings. We got on, low, medium, high. Got LEDs. Look at that. Does a great job. Levoits. Future review to follow. You can see on the dustbin. That's your dustbin right there. It's almost already full. Sorry about the messy background, everyone's shoes. Compared to the Dyson, that's your Levoit. That's your Dyson. This has been a standby for me, the Dyson. Really, really good vacuum too. I've had this for a number of years. See the bin size. Honestly, the Levoit holds a good amount inside the bin. And what I like about the Levoit is you can actually take the bin off. It's got a release. So this release right here, I'm just getting used to this vacuum. I really like it so far. And it's got a decent long runtime. So that's your bin that comes off fully. I really like that. And then you've also got a battery that pops out as well. And that's pretty darn cool. That's your battery. Charger just plugs in through a little side port, which is right there. Very, very easy to use. Very lightweight, the charger. Cleans up after this little brat right here. Tons of hair. It's your power on switch. Low, medium, high. Your tube, I haven't broken this down yet. You can break it down into a small vac. I have cleaned this out already once. You can see inside here, in the bottom. This comes out very easily. And the way that you take it out is on this side, you actually rotate this piece right here. I have had it open, I'm not lying. Oh, I'm sorry, not hitting the release. There's actually a release catch right on there. I had to watch YouTube myself just to figure out how to do this. You open that up, take out your brush. Really, really easy to do. I like it. Put it right back in because I'm going to use this some more, but I'm just vacuuming my floor this morning, and this is my tool of choice. Locks back in. Nice little lock right there. You can see that. I like how they did everything with the locks. And they have a push button for everything. Push button right here. Takes it down further. Got another push button up higher. Right there. That removes the wand, actually. LVAC200. Really nice little unit. Filters are up top here. Easy to take out. That pops out. That's your filter. Hasn't even gotten that dirty, the filter, so far. So far, so good. And you got another one up here. You can see that's gotten a little dirt so far. I'll show you more of the canister once I get all this cleaned out. I did have, the only problem I had, which really wasn't a problem, this little flap sometimes gets jammed up with dirt. So as long as you clear that, that's what goes into your suction, which is right inside there. So to put it back on, you can see these two mate right here. And then you're going to lock this piece in and push it down until it pops. Didn't really pop, but let's see if we can get that again. All right, stand by. There we go. And it's much easier when you're not trying to film. Anything is really. That locks right back in there. Your battery. You can see where your battery goes right there. That's this guy. This has got some weight to it, the battery. Actually pretty nice. Locks in positively. LVAC200. And the company is that name right there, Levoit. I don't know if it's French. I want to say it's French or German. I'm kind of leaning towards French. But yeah, that's your LVAC compared to the Dyson. That's your Dyson right there. And the Levoits. Try it out. Real good vacuum. It does have LEDs too on the end. I'll show you those. Pretty bright. This is your on. It's low, medium, high, 3 speeds. Then back to low. Levoit LVAC. Cheerios 22, 22, and out.